It's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards. I'm going to be playing a half a game of 15 diamonds, okay? Just this half of the table. Just to show you guys that haven't seen my videos, my previous videos. I haven't made one in a little while now. So 15 diamonds, the game I came up with, okay? So the rules are in the description, which is on there's a link in the description for the rules, which is my website, okay? Check it out. Stock shot. And again, this is just a variation of the full game. I mean, I call them pockets, it's just, you know, it's obvious. Come around here. And you can hit any ball except for the 15 that has to go last. So you, those that don't know the rules. That's a bad setup, so I have to go for this 11 come up and down without scratching, so I have to go low. See what happens. Like 5. Wow. Alright, there's a little angle. We got a lot of angle. I don't want to end up back here. I gotta end up anywhere over here or anywhere over here. It's gonna come out this way. If I go slow enough. Now it's gonna bury it if I do it too slow. So I want moderate speed. There we go. Perfect. However, it's going to come around here, so I have to go real slow again. That's good. Alright, now the 15 ball, and that would be it. I have to choose. I'm going on the side. Diamonds, half table variation. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.